having trouble making the transition over to becoming an alcoholic, but it's going pretty.
You're doing quite well, though.
Yeah.
That's why I was drinking water.
Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. Now you might notice Mookie has her Hawaiian dress on today. A lot of people think Mookie is a boy because she's always wearing a Hawaiian shirt, but Mookie is in fact a girl, and she's got her cute little number. Here, I'll show you here. Okay. All right, we got a great episode. We're going to go back to yesteryear, and I was working on the cruise ships, and we're going to check out the Cayman Islands. So what happened was I found some old footage of me when I used to work on the cruise ships. I was working, I believe, on the Norway from Norwegian Cruise Lines. So we'll see what we can see. This is my cruise ship Crew Life 1996 series. First up, we're going to make a drink. This is called a Tutifrutazo, and I'm getting it from the Jarritos website. Jarritos is a Mexican soda, and so it actually calls for chamoy to rim the glass. I had no idea what chamoy is, but it turns out it's a savory sauce or condiment in Mexican cuisine from pickled fruits. It's salty, sweet, and sour, and spiced with chilies. So I basically just rim the glass with the chamoy sauce, and then we're also going to rim the glass with some chili powder. I got some chili lime tagine powder. So we'll just give that a good rimming there, Mookie. All right. So that's a chamoy and chili lime tagine powder to rim my tropical glass. And then the recipe is very specific. It calls for fresh fruit, watermelon, and mangoes. You can also use frozen fruit. It'll work as a good ice cube. So I got some freshly cut mangoes and a little bit of freshly cut watermelon. I'm going to put the fruit in first so we'll have room to build the drink. And then next up, we're going to go an ounce of tequila. Just calls for white tequila. And then an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Special shout out to my Aunt Shell. She gave me her hand squeezed fresh lime juice left over from her margarita party. So we'll just do an ounce of the lime juice. And then I'll do the juice from 1/2 orange. And then I have the Jarritos Fruit Punch Soda. And we're just going to finish it off with a Fruit Punch Soda. And that, my friends, is a Tutifrutazo. Where are you going, Mookie? Stay with me. All right, so coming up next, we're heading out to the Cayman Islands, and you'll see a Chappy, a skinny Chappy with a full head of hair, hopefully.
Got the ugliest spoon pot.
Show us the spoon.
He's gonna get his spoons out, everyone.
He's gonna run out of batteries before he gets it.
I'm gonna get a fire tomorrow.
It's got
This
some
is for
kind of
who, Chad?
stingray on it. It's for my grandmother. She collects spoons.
Isn't that sweet?
Yeah. Either that or I'm
It's a spoon thing. It's a Canadian spoon thing.
either that or I'm gonna use it to heat up my hashish with. One or the other.
I think the hash is a much better idea.
Chad
actually.
likes drugs.
Go Chad!
I'm having trouble making the transition over to becoming an alcoholic, but it's going
You're
pretty.
doing quite well though.
Yeah.
That's why I was drinking water.
So yeah, I should be in the Betty Ford Clinic by next month.
Tuesday.
We don't go to the Betty Ford Clinic.
Bill W.
What do they have in England?
Bill W.
Bill W.
Friends
So it's a Bill W.
I'm his best mate.
I am David Bill W.
This camera's getting wobbly. I'm laughing too much.
No, that's because you're pissed.
Much of a tan with your clothes on.
Go on, Chad, get him off. Come on, Chad, show us your muscle. Come on.
Not a tanning kind of guy.
You're not much of any kind of guy, really. What do you like to do?
What are you doing here?
Tell us, what do you like to do?
Hockey.
Oh no.
Ice hockey.
Ice hockey.
Ice hockey.
That's my passion.
Well, you're in the wrong place to play ice hockey. That's
That's
all.
exciting.
Yeah.
So why did you come to the Caribbean?
Doesn't like cold weather.
But you play ice hockey.
We don't like the cold weather.
Yeah, precisely. But they have indoor arenas in Canada, so it's not.
What? Drown him! Crew pass is down as well. Your crew pass.
So Robles and welcome. Celery, celery. If she don't come, I'll tickle her bum with a lump of celery. We had joy, we had fun, we had Chelsea on the run, but the fun didn't last because the buses run too fast. Because we are West Ham. In fact, we are the mighty West Ham.
Tori asked me where West Ham was the other day. I did, yeah. I mean, it's there.
Paula.
Oh, no, you get it.
Wait,
What's he got all over him?
I'm not happy.
We've just had a chocolate ice cream fight.
It's your chocolate ice cream.
Oh, it's Block with Sash. Hello, Block.
I've just had a beautiful steak and kidney pie.
Have you?
I've had 2 pints of Stones' bitter, and it was absolutely delicious.
Is it a bag of shite?
Oh no, it was beautiful. Beautiful. Went to the beach, and it was $5 a bottle.
$5 for a bottle of Miller Lite.
Bloody hell.
It's disgusting. 75 cents in the crew bar tonight.
Going home on Saturday.
Get some new sunglasses, Rich.
No, they're the old ones.
Didn't even get you to start with your cat. You're going outside tomorrow. Hello, Paula.
Ice cream left there.
Yeah, I got some.
We've been in 2 months with it.
Well, that would give us a lot more time.
Well, I think you should do it.
Watch this.
You're a mess, Dave.
More than usual. And on top of that,
Do you realise I was close up on that one?
you get the full content of the bronchitis mixed with ice cream.
Yeah.
This is Cayman Islands. In fact, this is Grand Cayman. And I've been hassled by a lot of chocolate ice cream. And the perpetrator is now sitting on me for what reason I'm not quite sure.
Nice one, Paula.
I don't even know her.
Never seen me before in his life.
As you can hear, she's Norwegian. There's Chad. Chad bought a spoon today. Let's hear it for Chad.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Show us your spoon.
I haven't shown Keith my spoon.
And then meet up.
Isn't it lovely?
Where's your spoon? Think about his spoon, Peter.
It wasn't quite
very
tacky
nice.
enough.
Why isn't it nice, Peter?
Well, my mum collects magnets.
What's sad, isn't it?
We started collecting them too.
There you go.
Beautiful thing. Stingray.
Have you enjoyed your first week so far?
Just lovely.
Right then.
Just lovely.
I gotta work on my English
You're
accent.
going to have an English accent by 6 months down the line.
6 months. Yeah, calling people blokes and
And who? I say blokes.
Cheer up,
There's
Bubble.
no chance living with a Slovakian this week, though.
oh yeah.
Yeah, but the old Slovak's leaving, isn't he? And he is, leaving along with us. And Dave's getting off for a week. Yeah. Fuck off now, get out. No plasma photography in cameras. Filming is
Okay, on your face. That's the 5 minutes.
They need to call me Andrea then. Andrea? Yeah.
Long notes.
What's your name, isn't it?
Long notes. What's going on?
And that I am.
Sing for the camera.
See me tomorrow, Carl's and Charlie's singing me ass.
Okay. I'll let you off for now then.
Is everybody still going to get pissed tomorrow, whether they're working
Yeah.
Option.
Not working it.
What? You're not walking,
I'm not working. It's only 2
Well,
hours.
I might just get pissed on Shandy's.
I'm going to get 11.
Hairy testicles.
You need.
Plenty of elbow skin. That's where that comes from. Elbow skin.
It's your scrotum.
Made too much elbow skin, so they made wallet bags out of it.
Oh, Jesus, I'll die. Otherwise, man would have been walking around holding them in one in each hand.
Yeah. That's where we get pleasure out of holding it.
You sad fox. Bye-bye, Cayman.
He's an arsehole.
Wing Commander.
Wing Commander Mooncalf. My pleasure.
Where have you been, Keith?
Watch him tonight. I bet he's got dirty.
Quiet. Is it nice?
Very nice. Very nice.
Is it nice, Caroline?
Beautiful hotel.
What did you have to eat?
One up on the holiday.
Bollocks.
What do we have to eat? Tuna salad.
That's exciting.
Exciting, but nice. Lots of them. Plenty of them. What about you? Where have you been?
Holiday Inn. And the beach.
Yeah. Stuffed. Oh, yeah, it's alright. Stuffed anyway. Get that camera away from me right now.
No, I didn't know you need no favours. You can poke it right up your hole.
Oh well, bye-bye, Cayman. Bag of shite.
Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar Cruise Ship Crew Life 1996 edition. Make sure you hit that notification bell. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.
Back deck. Place to be.
Back deck. That's same back deck where you.
That is back deck where I've spent many an evening
Many a morning.
drinking Southern Comfort and Coke, as you do. Fucking long, isn't it?
Yeah. Longer than usual.